Are you looking to earn some extra cash while enjoying your favorite pastime? In this video, we unveil a popular and legit Android app that rewards players with PayPal Cash and Amazon gift cards simply for trying out new games. Discover how this innovative app allows you to turn your gaming sessions into real money. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make your gaming experience more rewarding. Watch now and start cashing in today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now let's get started. Get paid to play games? Yes, you heard that right. Introducing Playwell, the top-rated Android app that rewards you for your gaming skills. Test out exciting new games and earn real cash through PayPal or redeem Amazon gift cards. It's simple. The more you play, the more you earn. Imagine turning your gaming hobby into a source of income. With Playwell, you're not just playing for fun, you're earning rewards while enjoying the latest games. Join the thriving community of gamers who are cashing in on their passion and living the dream. Playwell is a legit and popular Android app that lets you earn PayPal Cash and Amazon gift cards just for trying out new games. Playwell's got a solid 4.6 star rating on the Google Play Store and has been downloaded over 1 million times. People seem to really dig the variety of games and how quickly they can cash out their winnings. You can grab the app for free. Just sign up with your email, and you're all set to start exploring and playing different games to earn some rewards. With Playwell's games library, you can actually make money just by downloading and playing games. The more you dive into their collection and play, the more cash you'll rack up. It's a pretty sweet deal. With Playwell, you can earn some extra cash just by watching ads, doing daily polls, and taking quick paid surveys. It's pretty cool because you can cash out with free Amazon gift cards or PayPal money. Plus, the redemption minimums are super low. You only need $1 for PayPal and $5 for Amazon gift cards. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Download Playwell today and start earning while you play. Your first reward is just a game away. Before we finish up, I'm excited to hear from you. Have you given Playwell or any other money-making apps a try? What was your experience like? Share your story in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please spread the joy by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you in the next one.